So something wrong with your setup. So just go ahead and follow us, and then you have to see the recording session. So Audrey, can you tell me what would be the B in this case, since you can see the page and also we can talk. Do you know what the B should be here for this problem?
I guess if you guess it, you can figure it out. I was solving it. I was solving it with X and Y and then solving for B.
Yes, you have to. You're absolutely right. You have to solve it. So what we need to do is you have to take this given point. They're giving you a point. Your line is going to pass us through this point. So if you call this point P, the first number corresponds to X, and the second number here corresponds to Y, and then that's what you have to do to solve for B by substituting for every X minus 8, and the slope here is given to me as -6, and for every Y I'm going to substitute 1, and the only unknown here is B. That's how I can solve for that. Can somebody tell me what would be B is equal to?
Would it be 1?
Anyone? Okay, it would be 1 is equal to -6 times -8 would be equal to 48, right?
Yes.
Plus B. How do you solve for B here? How do you solve for B? You have to subtract 48 from both sides of the equation, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is B is equal
Okay,
to?
I get what you're doing.
So it would be -47, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in this case, we know what the B is. So Y is equal to -6X plus -47. So the equation would be Y is equal to -6X minus 47. So that's the equation of the line. And then which one of these would be the option that we have? Looks like is D. Okay, so
I actually think it's A.
that would be Y is equal to -6X minus 47. But you know, in this one, it's kind of funny. You're right. They put in two places. So actually, it should be either A or D would be a right answer. Okay. So that would be the equation. So these are the type of problems you're going to see on the final exam. It's multiple choice, like you see, like that, and that's how you have to solve the problem for final. All right, let's see. I'm going to ask once again to put a check mark in front of your name if you can follow this. Okay, this is how I would know if you're around. Also, if you don't put a check mark, as I'm asking you throughout the session, that means you're not here. Okay, so look, Alfredo is away for a minute, and Kong, are you there? You're not responding. Nancy, are you there? You should put a check mark if you're there.